Hi, I'm Mahesh, running a Tata Authorized Service Center from the year 2008 in the name of Emm Emm Motors in Bangalore. I have been associated with Tata Motors from the year 2008, been servicing Tata Passenger cars. We attend about 20-25 cars in a day. In the year 2010, Anand had coordinated and had given me the good rates. So I have been purchasing all items from Madhus through Anand. Anand is a known friend for me for past 14 years. And last year also we had purchased a AC gas recycling machine. This year I bought a spot welder, everything through Anand. He takes care to give me the best rates. And also the product wise, Madhu's products are long lasting, trouble free, and it really needs less maintenance. Due to that, our TAT is really good and we are able to generate revenue at a faster pace. Any service issues, the issues get resolved in max 4 days in Bangalore. So that way, the service response is really good. And I would definitely recommend blindly anybody can communicate with Madhu and purchase future products. Thanks to Madhu's Garage Equipments.